What's going on, Beamer fans? Welcome back to Beamer Review. For today's video, we're going to be going over the number one feature that you must be using in all new BMWs. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, Beamer Review, what we do here is teach you everything there is to know about these vehicles. We go over every single hidden tip, trick, and feature in the book. So if you have a BMW and you want to learn everything there is to know about it, subscribe to this channel because we put out content every single week. So for today's video, we're going to be going over the number one feature that you must be using in your new BMW. The reason why I point this out as one of the number one features is because of the fact that it can make living with your BMW a whole lot easier. And for this feature, we're going to be going over all the different ways that you can use it. So definitely stay tuned for the whole entire thing if you want to make your BMW drive much more easy. Before we get started, we did want to mention these really cool BMW X5 floor mats. We are sitting in a BMW X5 today. And if you had one on order, or if you're waiting for your BMW X5 to arrive, or any other BMW, feel free to check out these links that go to the floor mats right down below. Also, if you were looking for BMW key fob covers, we also have a store that is linked to this YouTube page. You can see right over here. Many of the products right now are sold out at the making of this video, but they should be back in stock in about 2 to 3 weeks, so definitely stay tuned for it. And without further rambling on, let's go ahead and introduce this feature. The feature that we're going to be going over today and all the different ways to use it is going to be Hello BMW.
Hi. What can I help you with?
And I do apologize, the gas on this vehicle is a little bit low, so we are going to be seeing this little annoying little sign right here, but just go ahead and do your best to ignore that. So yes, with all the new BMWs, you have your BMW voice command. Well, there's so many different ways to use it, and there's so many ways that you can use it to make your life much more easy, such as controlling the climate, controlling different parts of the vehicle, such as lowering down the windows, changing the lighting, and many other ways to use it. Now, for the BMW personal assistant, there are 2 ways that you can activate it. You can manually just push on this voice command button once, and that brings up your BMW voice command. But one of the more convenient features that I wanted to mention, and many of you may already know about it, is going to be how to activate the feature with just your voice. Now, before you do it with your voice, you do want to go into the settings and activate it. And what I'm referring to is Hello BMW. So by saying Hello BMW, it brings up the voice command, and then you can hands-free just say whatever you need to the vehicle, and then it'll go ahead and fulfill your command. So let's go ahead and figure out how we can activate Hello BMW. So first off and foremost, if you wanted to go ahead and activate that feature, you do want to make sure that your BMW ID is set up first, and I will explain why in a little bit. But to go ahead and activate that feature, you want to go into Personal Assistant, and then you want to go right down here to where it says Settings, and then you want to go down to where it said Wake Word. So if you go right over here, you're going to see Wake Word. Now I went ahead and I already enabled my feature right here. I'm not going to say it because then she keeps on talking to me, but that's what you would check green to make sure that the feature is on, so that it can go ahead and listen to that phrase right there. Also, the reason why it's great to have your BMW ID set up is because once you have your ID set up, you can customize whatever you want the wake word to be. So say for example, if you were to just say Alfred, then the voice command feature would pop up, and then you can go ahead and state your command. For this video, we don't have a BMW ID set up yet, so we're just going to stick with the regular phrase that we have right here. And again, I'm not saying it because it's going to keep on talking to me, and I don't want it to talk to me right now. So yes, once you have that set up, then you can go ahead and say the phrase, and then go ahead and state all your different commands. So let's just go ahead and test this first, and then I will give you a demonstration on all the different ways that I use it. Hello BMW, roll down all the windows.
Okay.
You can see that the BMW voice command is rolling down all the windows and even the sunroof, which is perfect, especially on a hot day like this. So keep in mind that if you do use the voice command to roll down the windows, you cannot use the voice command to roll up your windows, because it is a safety feature, especially for US North American vehicles. You can tell voice command to close the sunroof though, so that's pretty cool. Hello BMW, close the sunroof.
Okay.
So yes, I can tell voice command to close the sunroof, which is very convenient. I wonder if I could do it for the shade as well. Hello BMW, close the shade.
Okay, I'm closing all sun blinds.
So yes, I guess you could tell it to close sun blinds and everything too. That's something new I haven't tried yet. Now let's just say, for example, it is super hot in the vehicle now that I rolled up the windows. So let's go ahead and use our feature to control the temperature. And again, this you can do all hands-free, so it's very convenient to go ahead and use your voice to just control the vehicle. And I know that we get tons and tons of complaints about how there's a lack of climate control buttons in the new BMWs, but to be honest, if you were to just use the feature here that we have here today, it just makes your life so much more easy because it does control pretty much every single function within the climate control settings, which are all the functions that we have here. We can tell our voice command to turn on or off, adjust the fan speed, sync the two temperatures, even put it in auto or manual mode, turn on and off the AC, or even control the circulation. So you can do all that stuff all with your voice. So let's just go ahead and test that out. Again, I'm just gonna turn off the climate control, so we're starting from scratch. I'm gonna go back to the home screen. You don't have to, but let's just go ahead and try it. Hello BMW, set temperature to 75 degrees.
75 degrees Fahrenheit.
There you go. You can see that I just told my feature here to control our temperature. I could tell it to set it to whatever I want. And you can also see that the two temperatures are out of sync. We have our driver's side here at 75. We have our passenger side at 72. So you can also tell personal assistant to take care of that. Hello BMW, sync our two temperatures together.
I will synchronize the climate zones.
There you go. Our climate zones are now synced, and again, I did that with just my voice. I did not have to go fiddling through the screen to go ahead and do that. All I had to do was just focus on the road, focus on my drive, and just say the commands. We also have our heated seats, heated steering wheel. Our voice command can also do that too. So let's just go ahead and try that. Hello BMW, turn on heated seats.
All right, I'm activating the driver's seat heating.
You can see by the little red seat located right there that our heated seat is now on. Again, you can use that for our steering wheel too, for our heated steering wheel. You can also do that for cooling seats. And again, almost every single climate control function, just control with your voice. I know that we all loved our physical buttons, but to be honest, if you were to just talk to your car, as weird as it sounds and as new as it is going to be the most convenient way that you can live an easier life with your BMW. So yes, you can use that to control your climate control functions. Another one of my favorites is going to be with the ambient lighting. So I know that it's kind of hard to see right now because it's so bright outside, but you can tell our BMW to change the lighting within the vehicle. So let me demonstrate that. Hello BMW, change ambient lighting to blue.
Great. I will set the light color to indigo.
So yes, again, it's kind of hard to see. You kind of see it on the door there that it did change colors. Let me actually try that again so you guys can see it. Hello BMW, change ambient lighting to lilac.
Good choice. I will set the light color to lavender.
You can see that it just kind of changed there. Again, I know that's really hard to see, but yes, I did just tell voice command to do that. That is probably really convenient to use if you were gonna go out on a date and then you wanted to set your ambient lighting to match your significant other's dress. You could probably get some good bonus points for that, and you might even get lucky for the night. Now, another big one that I love using voice command for is going to be, or personal assistant, is going to be for our head-up display. Many of the newer vehicles, they are coming out with a head-up display. I currently have it off, but I can tell personal assistant to go ahead and activate that. Hello BMW, turn on head-up display.
I have activated the head-up display.
You can see that the head-up display just turned on there. I know the windshield's a little dirty, but yes, you can see that it is on. I'll actually demonstrate how to turn that off as well. Hello BMW, turn off head-up display.
I have deactivated the head-up display.
You can see that it just deactivated the head-up display as well. So that is going to be really convenient to use if you are someone like me who wears polarized glasses a lot. And if you do wear glasses like that, you can't see your head-up display because it gets blurred out or is super dim. So I do like having the convenience to turn on and off my head-up display with just the sound of my voice. Here's another cool one. You can use personal assistant to give you directions, navigate you to a certain place or a point of interest. A lot of the times if I'm in a new place, I do still have to get my coffee fix. So let's just give this one a shot where we can tell our voice command or personal assistant to navigate us to a coffee shop. Hello BMW, navigate to the closest coffee shop.
I have found these 20 entries. Which one should I select?
You can see that our personal assistant just found some really cool coffee shops located right here on the right side. You can tell the personal assistant to navigate to whichever one if you want. You can also have it set up so that it takes you to the closest one or a specific one in a certain city or state. So feel free to get very creative with your commands. Let's not forget that you can tell personal assistant to control our map views and even our spoken instructions. So a lot of the times I do tend to toggle with our spoken instructions, which are right over here. I either keep that on or off depending on where I'm going. You can tell personal assistant to command that. Hello BMW. Turn off spoken instructions.
I've turned off the voice guidance.
You can see that the personal assistant just said that it will turn off the voice guidance, which you can see that the box is no longer checked on there. So it did turn that off. That is another way that I use personal assistant a whole lot. For many of the newer BMWs, this X5 still has it. If you were to notice one of the newer BMWs, they're starting to no longer have the physical buttons for our Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. You do have to click on a additional button called Drive Modes in order to get into that menu. So personal assistant is going to be very convenient for those vehicles because you can just say something like this. Hello BMW.
Here I am.
Damn it, Dan. You can also tell your personal assistant to transform your vehicle. I'm just kidding. We had to swap cars, but now we're in a super cool M60 version. I'm looking forward to this. So yes, you can tell personal assistant to change the drive modes. Hello, BMW. Go into sport mode.
Okay, I have activated the sport mode.
You can see that our BMW just went into sport mode, which is super cool. Again, I did that completely with just my voice. So yes, different drive modes. You can also control that. You can use it to control the defrosters. You can go to a specific radio station, which is really cool too. So let's just say, for example, hello BMW, go to 94.5.
Okay, I've set the frequency 94.5.
You can see that our voice command just went and changed up our radio station to 94.5, which is right over there as well. You can also do that with Sirius stations, FM stations, AM stations if your vehicle has it, and so much more. Now, I will say that that is the main ways that I typically use my personal assistant for my BMW. There are many different voice commands that you can give it, such as check the weather, turn the volume up or down. You can also get really creative with your commands. Say, for example, hello BMW, I am very hot.
All right, it will be cooler right away.
So you can say really cool commands such as that, and then the vehicle will begin to cool you down. So those are what I would recommend you all learn how to do. Again, if you wanted to know a full list of all the different commands that the BMWs could do, we also have another spin-off of this video of all the different voice commands. If you haven't seen that yet, you may want to just check that out. We do go over a lot of the same features, but this one's a more concentrated version on day-to-day voice commands that you would be using every single day, every time you get into the vehicle. And I will say that this is going to be the new way to go ahead and use your BMW, because again, you can see that they did get rid of all the climate control buttons, but I will say that just saying the commands is so much more easy than even going to look for the buttons. It feels so much more natural and so much more intuitive, and I can see why BMW did get rid of the buttons, because now you can just use your voice to do every little thing in the climate control menu. And that's just one example. You can tell voice command to do many other sorts of things, just like we went over through this video. If you all had any questions, definitely write those down below. I am trying to catch up on all the different comments, so I do apologize for the delay. I did mess up my foot for the past month, hence why there hasn't been much uploading going on, but I am going to be getting back into it now, so you can expect a video coming out every 1 to 2 weeks going down till the rest of the year. Again, like the video, subscribe to this channel, check out the links right down below with the car mats and the key fob covers, comment down below, and I will see you all for the next one. Thank you for watching.